Hello, welcome to our latest Broker Beat.
This issue features an update on Brexit for AGCS Business. What impact will customers and partners see from the 1st of January 2021? At the time of recording, the outcome of the UK and EU trade negotiations is still unknown. Regardless, whatever the outcome of the trade deal negotiations, Brexit will have minimal impact on how AGCS SE provides UK and EU EEA insurance to its clients and partners.
What will be the legal implications for AGCS SE? AGCS SE will remain the same legal entity across the UK and EU EEA after 31st December 2020, irrespective of any trade deal or no deal. So this provides certainty, but also flexibility for clients and partners. The current AGCS SE UK branch is authorised via EU EEA freedom and establishment or passporting legislation, which also allows the UK branch to issue policies covering EU EEA risks on a freedom of services basis. Both freedom of establishment and freedom of services will cease for the UK after the 31st December 2020. At the same time, AGCS SE as a whole entity, not just the UK branch, will enter the UK temporary permission regime. The temporary permission regime has been created by the UK regulators to allow inbound firms such as AGCS SE and its EU EEA branches to continue operating in the UK within the scope of their current passport, freedom of services permissions, while seeking full UK authorisation.
What will the TPR mean for AGCS SE? While AGCS SE is in the TPR, its EU EEA branches are permitted to cover EU, EEA and UK risks on an authorised basis in a single policy. The policy can be arranged via the AGCS UK branch through current contacts. It is also possible to issue a policy covering UK, rest of world risks and EU EEA risks in separate schedules, sections, but with a single aggregate of limits. In this case, the AGCS SE UK branch and an AGCS SE EU EEA branch will be issuing the respective risks. The TPR is initially due to last 3 years until the end of 2023. However, on an individual insurer basis, once full UK authorisation is granted, the temporary permission ceases. It is expected that full authorisation will continue the current permissions, allowing the single policy solution where needed.
What will be the impact on AGCS UK's portfolio? Any policies issued by AGCS SE UK branch before 31st of December 2020 can be administered in the UK or EU EEA as required with full regulatory authorisation. AGCS SE's home regulator, BaFin, have requested that relevant AGCS SE UK branch policies that have EU EEA exposure via freedom of services are moved before the 31st of December and given AGCS EU EEA branch policy references. As AGCS SE remains a single legal entity, it allows policies and claims to be moved by an internal accounting process while ensuring regulatory compliance. This means that current and future claims can be handled in the relevant jurisdictions for policies issued before the 31st of December 2020 without the need for formal portfolio transfers. This flexibility provides certainty to AGCS SE's clients and partners with minimal impact on the way that AGCS SE UK branch portfolio and its EU EEA risks are administered.
How will global programs and single EU EEA policies at AGCS SE be affected? Currently, a client can choose from different types of Allianz multinational solutions to cover their risk worldwide, including standalone local policies, DIC, DIL, above local policies, single EU EEA policies, freedom of service, and centrally controlled master programs. As previously explained, Brexit will have minimal impact on a client's choice, as AGCS SE can continue to offer a single policy issued in the EU EEA, which can also cover the UK on an authorised basis under the TPR. Alternatively, a policy can be issued covering UK rest of world risks and EU EEA risks in separate schedules, sections, but with a single aggregate of limits.
Will non-admitted insurance be allowed? The possibility of non-admitted insurance still remains for UK risks. For instance, the UK does not prohibit non-admitted insurance to be issued by a non-UK authorised insurer as long as it itself procured by the UK-based customer and is not motor or employer's liability. However, the temporary permission regime avoids the need to do this. Non-admitted insurance for EU EEA risks will be subject to 27 different jurisdictions and local regulation, some of which do not allow non-admitted insurance, and a case-by-case analysis is needed. Therefore, non-admitted insurance from the UK into the EU EEA may be a solution depending on the local insurance, supervisory laws and regulations in each EU EEA country.
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with one of our experts.
And you can visit our website at agcs.allianz.com.